we just have this friend who's getting married soon. So we thought, why not take this as a topic, the cost of getting married in today's time.
It's pretty interesting, huh? I mean, you were telling me that to book a hall, you have to pay like this ridiculous amount of money.
We have like around 250 guests coming. तो उनका सारा खाना वगैरह मिला के and the package they gave us summed up to 3,77,000.
Oof. With that, you could have just bought ticket to
Yeah, I know.
somewhere and just went on for a
Gone for
trip
a
with your
trip.
husband.
Yeah.
I know, but
Rather than feeding
we are
these
having it indoors
people.
because it's gonna be very hot in those months.
Yeah, again.
No, regardless of it being indoor or outdoor, I think generally
It's very-
the cost of getting married in today's time has gone up like insane.
That
Uh,
people put
Yes.
it on themselves. They can have a
yeah,
simple
it's
wedding
also because आपका society में you
Pressure.
need to show.
वैसे
Can't
इस्लाम
just have a
में
simple
रिलीजन में
wedding.
हमारे कौन सा फंक्शन है जो बहुत जरूरी है एक मेन
It's
Walima.
nikah and walima.
वलीमा है निकाह एंड वलीमा
That's what I'm having. Nikah and walima.
Nikah
No
तो
mehndi,
function
no
भी नहीं
mayo,
है.
no
It's just
nothing.
signatures. Nikah is not a function.
Again, why would people spend so much money on wedding, खाना पिलाना कपड़े बनवाना मैं तो सोच रहा था किसी को some friend of mine was getting married और वो कैसा यार एक दूरन getting his dress made for his bride and the amount he said was
सवा
like
लाख।
मैं कहता हूँ कि तू मोटरसाइकिल ले ले यार
1.25 लाख?
1.25 लाख से शुरू हो रही
हाँ।
है.
शुरू.
शुरू हो
शुरू
रही
वही
है.
तो शुरू मैंने कहा तू मोटरसाइकिल ले ले यार
Adnan, there was a time when the entire wedding event covering all
Would
the
cost what,
events,
two-
mayo, mehndis, शादी, all the
कुछ तो
खर्चा,
हम
the
अपनी खुशी
जहेज,
के
the
लिए भी
bari.
करते हैं. उसमें कोई
तो
बुराई
यार
नहीं
खुशी
है.
हर खुशी के लिए खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं होती
Yeah,
you see if you're getting married and your friends are over and your family is over वो घर पे you have such a blast of a
लेकिन वो
time
घर पे भी आपको उनको खाना तो खिलाना होगा ना.
यार,
उसके
लेकिन-
पैसे जाएंगे
Maria,
ना.
he's
घर-
right. When
घर
you
का
have
हिसाब और है।
relatives over at your place, I think those are more of a fun time than the
But you
actual
do have
events.
to look after those
But
guests
in
and
today's
relatives.
time,
That also
relatives-
costs
no, no,
something.
that is not that
No.
That
The
is not
point
that
is कि
expensive.
Yeah, I know
जो
it's not that expensive, but the thing is, you do have to spend some amount of
That's
money. You
okay.
can have fun
But
in a
you're not-
simple way.
reasonable.
But
Yeah,
you're
you
not-
can.
But we have glamorized our events so
That's our
much that
point.
you're spending immense amount, like stupid amount of money on those. Like your bridal, you just mentioned your bridal jora cost you like a lakh and a half. Your jewelry has gone up insane because of the gold prices.
Prices.
Chalo, theek hai, that's understandable, but you don't have to spend so much of an amount on the
मैंने
event
अपने
itself.
दोस्त को
I
भी
feel
एक
you
आइडिया
should-
दिया फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन इज अ डिजाइनर तो मैंने उसे बोला मैं ऐसा करो कि तुम रेंट पे डालना शुरू कर
Oh,
दो
I
Yeah.
had that idea.
एंड
rent पे।
मैं ऐसा करो कि रेंट पे ले लो
Yeah.
अपने कपड़े दे दो और जूली शूली सारी रेंट पे दे दो और जिस दिन हनीमून पे ये लोग जाएं इधर जाएं एंड देन देयर इज अ थेफ्ट इन द हाउस एंड ऑल थिंग्स आर डिसअपीयर्ड you can sort of you know
That's what I actually suggested. I was at the market on Saturday going through the jewelry and kapda, and I actually at a point said it this thrice, and my in-laws actually liked this idea. Even my mom, I said, "Ke in America they
You
have
can rent a
jewelry on
tuxedo.
weddings."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was like, okay, fine. Why buy something? I'm just gonna wear it one day and just
लेकिन
return
इधर
it
रेंट
back.
का होता है?
Yeah,
Yeah.
नहीं है
यहाँ
यहाँ
से
पे
होता है,
नहीं,
होता है,
होता है।
आखिर से
यहाँ पे?
होता है.
मैंने नहीं सुना मतलब या
She
तो
said
हमारी
a friend,
ईगोज इतने
Maybe you
इन्फ्लेटेड हैं
can rent किसी आपकी कोई फैमिली में कोई ब्राइड थी जिसका ड्रेस आपको पसंद आ गया. आप
Yeah,
उसका
I don't know. I
खरीद
heard
सकते
this one specific community in our country they do rent.
हो.
I won't name it. No.
No.
But have you ever heard any of your friends renting a dress?
No,
and-
but her
jewelry?
mom told me, yeah, somebody she knows.
But without,
They had their dress
the
rented.
weddings have become showing your status in the society.
और एक और मजे की बात बताऊं मैं आपको कि मैं उस दिन किसी के ड्राइवर की शादी थी एनी साइड यार मैं वो कर रहा हूँ निकाह कर रहा हूँ मैं पत्नी इतने लोगों 100 लोगों को खाना खिलाना है नाउ द थिंग इज दैट अगर आप खाना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो तो आप खाना खिला क्यों रहे हो
क्योंकि ये फर्ज
ये बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है.
फर्ज है.
वो तो फर्ज है लेकिन आप उतने लोगों को खिलाओ जिनको आप खिला सकते
खिला
हो
सकते अपनी हैसियत
ये
के
कोई
आगे।
फर्ज नहीं है कि आप जो है आपकी
नहीं।
बजट कुछ और है
हमारे नहीं,
डिमांड
डॉक्टर ने तो
जितनी
सिर्फ
रखी
खजूर
गई
आप-
खिलाई थी, सिर्फ खजूर खिलाई थी. आप क्या खिला रहे हो वो भी आपके ऊपर
एग्जैक्टली
डिपेंड करता है. You can
फिर आप
just-
जितना खर्च करो जो आपकी अफोर्डेबिलिटी पे आता है
But
ये
बात फिर
तो
वहीं आ जाती है ना कि आपको अपनी सोसाइटी में because of the society pressures people have started even if they cannot afford it they
यार
do it.
सोसाइटी
Yeah,
भी कौन है हम लोग की सोसाइटी
वही
है
तो ये ट्रेंड क्रिएटर्स
नहीं,
भी काम है ना
हमारे
अगर आपको इवेंट प्लानर्स इतनी ग्लैमरस वेडिंग इवेंट्स दे रहे हैं आप क्यों ले रहे हो जाके आप उनको दे रहे हो
अच्छा,
ना,
okay.
तभी तो they're making it.
ओके आई थिंक जो अफोर्ड कर सकता है वो बेशक करे
हाँ, I think so.
But why
ठीक
put
है।
pressure on those who cannot
Yeah.
afford it?
बट जो नहीं कर सकता वो
आप
मतलब
उनको
वो ना
छोड़-
करे
But वो simplicity भी नहीं है ना,
जैसे-
आप वो तो समझ डिग्रेड हो जाते हो।
Best thing ये होगा कि आप court marriage, you go get married in court,
No.
and all the money that you were going to spend on your function, you spend on yourself instead of spending on
Either get
people who are
yourself a
going to
nice
complain
house or a
anyway.
car or go on a
Exactly my
nice
point.
tour.
ना जहेज हो
जहेज नहीं है।
Dahej-
कुछ भी ना
जहेज
ऐसी
नहीं है।
चीजें हो वो आप सारे के जो the amount of money you spend on making जहेज again
Because honestly, that's of no use.
It's exactly.
it's a headache यार I mean आप
Actually, I'm stuck between a comparison of Marriott and Sheraton. तो वहाँ पे हो जाए तो उससे बेहतर है कि उसके कम कॉस्ट पे हो जाए। दूसरी बात ये है कि हमारे जो गेस्ट की तादाद होती है हमारे तो फिर कम है, जो दूसरी मतलब बाकियों की होती है तो वो कोई
हाँ।
400 500 600
उससे
700
भी
पे
ज़्यादा।
जाकर वो लोग हैं जो आपको पलट के नहीं पूछेंगे कभी।
They're
Just
just
there
they'll be
to
complain
eat.
करेंगे even though they're there and they're getting good food. They're getting food. They should be thankful for that, but they will still
don't.
complain and ruin your
And
day.
they will criticize
They
you.
will criticize.
दुल्हन ऐसी थी, दूल्हा ऐसा
उसका
था।
makeup
But you
ऐसा
know, this
था,
whole new
उसके बाल
concept
ऐसे
has also
थे।
come up कि you do a simple nikah and then you do a one big reception.
You know what I think people
I
should
think
do, because you know, to include both ways, they should have like a simple court marriage जहाँ just जो witnesses होते हैं, close family होती है, उधर खड़े होके, and then the next day you just throw like one
That's
nice
what they
big
do.
Yeah,
party
that's-
at the
that's
beach
what
or
they do.
whatever,
But
and have
you-
people you like and
Yeah.
enjoy with.
Exactly यही
Yeah.
करें। Three of my
It's
friends did
fun.
the same thing. They didn't court marriage नहीं की, they had a nikah.
Simple nikah.
वो भी
उसमें
सही है,
सिर्फ जो
मस्जिद
क्लोज
में।
फ्रेंड्स थे नहीं घर पे
घर पे।
मौलवी आया था निकाह पढ़ाया कोई तकरीबन 50-60 odd people in the house including family
उसी वक्त dinner करा दिया।
उसी वक्त उनको खाना खिलाया next day had a huge party
Hey, thrown at the beach, you have one
And
wherever,
called
and
all
it's
his
fun.
friends to
It's
come
so
and
at
enjoy
much
such
it.
fun.
weddings you don't
You
even know
get
half
so
the
bored,
people.
and you get so bored.
Now-
Right,
I
now-
hate going to
frustrating.
weddings.
ना उसको वो कपड़े बनवाने पड़े ना लोगों को कपड़े बनाने पड़े
And
खानदान में
cost
किसी
भी
को
कम हो गई
Like
होगी,
they had-
And
yeah,
everybody had a
blast.
blast.
That's a very good idea, by the way.
everybody
beach
had a
party.
blast
No, not a beach party. I hate Cliff.
no not
Notes
beach
idea,
just
but-
get everyone over for a party and then you can come casual
But
And
no, honestly, they've
cost
started
भी
like
कम
that.
होगी,
A lot of
because it
people
can
have
be a
started
combined
doing that.
function.
Yeah.
They've started.
it is
doing
a
that.
combined function because you're already married
The guys can pay half, girls
But
side
now,
can pay half.
not
each
like
function.
parties, but what people do now is hold a simple nikah and the next day they hold a big reception
And
where
not
guests from both
invite people
parties.
you
Yeah.
haven't seen
They
in
can come
years,
in.
just your close friends,
Yeah.
family, people you actually
Your
like.
relatives and your close friends. I think these are the only people who should deserve to come at
so I think we
Yes.
should become what do you call
Event
them
planners.
evening marriage event planners
Managing शादियाँ.
what would we call it though our company if you open a company like this
Infamous four.
infamous food ठीक है
All right.
bye
Right.